There is a saying that it takes a village to raise a child. Equally so, I believe it takes a village to develop one's character, one's personality. It takes a village to develop a woman. If, like myself, you are in a journey of self-discovery, of developing yourself, of healing, of learning, unlearning, becoming, unbecoming, remembering, learning to detach, learning to find courage, learning to find your voice, correcting certain things, starting afresh, a phase or a period of restoration, whatever the phase you are finding yourself in. What I've done, I am going to post or attach a list of women from across the globe that have had an impact in my life. I've picked mostly women from our continent, women from the country, African women. Women I think we can all relate to on some level. This is ranging from personal stuff, social stuff, creativity. I'm talking about style. I'm talking about women in business. I'm talking about women who are teaching about finances. I'm talking about women who teach about spirituality. But women who are intentional about developing other women, kakhulu. And these are the pages I follow. These are the people I listen to. And I hope you will find somebody that you will resonate with from this list or from these pages. It is very important to be conscious and aware and intentional about what we consume. Social media is here, but it is upon us to be careful of how we use it. Are we using it in such a way that it adds value in our lives? Are you surfing the net? Are you browsing the pages? Ezintweni eziright, in things that are relevant for your soul ascension. And so these are the women. Pick and find what resonates with you. Find what will help you. It's not about belief yakho or anything. They are from across, so you will find your spiritual stuff, you will find your business stuff, you will find your financial stuff, you'll find the ones that are in creatives, whether it's parenting, whether it's healing, you will find something kulabafazi laba. And what I like and I think was a common thread for me, kubo bonke, whatever it is that they are doing, it's purpose driven and it's mission driven. You'll find that those that are in arts, but they are conscious about how it connects to their gift. Those that are in fashion, they're conscious about how it connects to their purpose. Those that are authors, and so it's a mixed bag, but of I think everything. I hope that you will enjoy this selection of women. It's not only these people that I found impactful or that I follow, but I just chose a few that I think were on the top of my list. I hope that you will enjoy, and next time maybe I'll do of our kings, our brothers.